If you're looking for the easiest way to purchase Xtreme HD IPTV and get your service activated instantly, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to order your subscription using our new instant payment system, how quickly your account is activated, and everything that's included with the service. Before we get started, don't forget that you can receive a completely free 36-hour IPTV trial by visiting extremediscount.net. There's no credit card required, no payment information required, and no personal information required. Just enter a valid email address, create a password for your account, and your free trial is automatically delivered to your email within seconds. That means you can test the entire service before spending a single dollar. If you enjoy IPTV tutorials, setup guides, reviews, and tips on getting the most out of your streaming devices, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We upload new videos regularly to help you get the best possible IPTV experience. Now let's jump right into it. One of the biggest challenges IPTV providers face today is accepting traditional credit and debit card payments. Because IPTV is considered a high-risk industry by many banks and payment processors, providers often lose their merchant accounts or have payment gateways shut down with very little notice. Unfortunately, that's simply the reality of this industry. Here at Extreme Discount, we're always looking for new ways to make purchasing and renewing your subscription as fast and convenient as possible. That's why we've introduced Instant Cash App Pay and Venmo Pay, along with fully automated cryptocurrency payments. The checkout process is incredibly simple. Choose the subscription you'd like, proceed through checkout, and then select Cash App Pay, Venmo Pay, or cryptocurrency as your payment method. You'll immediately receive the username to send your payment to, along with a unique 4-digit memo code that allows our billing system to identify your payment automatically. Once your payment is sent, our system instantly verifies it, marks your invoice as paid, activates your subscription, and places your IPTV credentials directly into your customer portal. There are no support tickets to wait on, no manual approval process, and no wondering when your service will be activated. Everything happens automatically, and in most cases, your account is ready in less than a minute. Whether you're purchasing a brand new subscription or renewing an existing one, the process is fast, secure, and incredibly easy. Now that our subscription has been activated, let's take a look at everything that's included. Xtreme HD IPTV gives you access to more than 26,000 live television channels from around the world. You'll also receive over 150,000 movies on demand and more than 35,000 complete television series, with new content added regularly. If you're a sports fan, this service has just about everything you could ask for. Watch NFL, Sunday Ticket, NFL Network, NBA League Pass, MLB Extra Innings, NHL Center Ice, UFC Fight Nights, UFC pay-per-view events, boxing pay-per-view, WWE Premium Live Events, ESPN, ESPN2, Fox Sports, CBS Sports, NBA TV, MLB Network, NHL Network, SEC Network, Big Ten Network, ACC Network, college football, college basketball, Formula One, NASCAR Premier League, UEFA Champions League, La Liga, Bundesliga, Serie A, Major League Soccer, international sports, regional sports networks, and much more. As you can see while I'm scrolling through the channel list, there's an incredible amount of content available. The channels are organized into categories, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Whether you enjoy local television, news, entertainment, movies, documentaries, kids programming, international channels, or live sports, you'll have thousands of options available at your fingertips. Let's take a look at the movies section. Here you'll find over 150,000 movies covering virtually every genre imaginable, including action, comedy, horror, drama, romance, documentaries, family movies, animated films, and the latest releases. Now let's move over to the TV shows section. With more than 35,000 complete television series available on demand, you can binge watch your favorite shows whenever you want without worrying about recording them or waiting for reruns. One of the best parts is that you can test everything completely free before deciding to purchase. Just visit extremediscount.net and request your free 36-hour trial. No payment information is required, your account is created automatically, and your trial credentials are delivered instantly to your email, so you can begin watching within minutes. If you're interested in making setup even easier, be sure to download our new TV Made Edition app. It's designed to make getting started simple and provides an excellent viewing experience for Firestick, Android TV, Google TV, and Android TV devices. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future IPTV tutorials, setup guides, reviews, and helpful tips. We'll see you in the next video.